Blessings everyone. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in the countryside of Jamaica. And you know different things we do in the countryside. Different trees, different fruits. No life like in the country. So this morning I picked some sweet sap and stuff, you know. So just sketch out the video. Them call it sugar apple in other countries. So keep on watching, guys. Yeah man, you can see the bees. Bees is doing some work. Yeah man, you know so that one is ripe. Yeah man, so this is the ripe sugar apple. Sometimes when the bees thingy, that's when you have a sweet flavor to it. Yeah man, so if you ever eat this when it have the bees thing, it is very sweet. Sweet sap, sugar apple. Native to the West Indies and tropic America. Sugar apple has been widely introduced to the Eastern Hemisphere, tropics. The fruit contains a sweet custard-like which may be eaten raw. So you all can indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, you know say country life are the best. Yeah man, no place like country. Know a lot of person live in the town area. When they want certain fruits to eat, they have to come up on the countryside. In the backyard in the country, we have every different types of fruit. But this morning, sweet something said this morning, so big up on yourself. Anyone I watch from, yard or abroad, you know? Yeah, man, so you have to be careful when you pick this one. Be very careful. Yeah, man, I see it. Open inside it and showing my people. Very juicy. Trust me, this coming like honey. Like when the bees making the honey. So how to identify when a sugar apple is ready, or sweet sap, we call it in Jamaica. As you can see, this one is not ready as yet. As you can see, it is have a very green color to it. I'm gonna show you when one is fit and ready to pick. Yeah man, look on the one of my people. As you can see, the pods, it is much bigger and have a different color to it. Don't have a brighter green, but you can see the difference. Yeah man, so that one is ready for pick. So you know, see a harvesting time. So this is when the stem is removed from it. So this one is ripe. When it is ripe, it is very soft, and the space between each pod open, and it's easy break apart for easy access to the sweet, creamy, fresh inside. So what do you think about the country life? Yeah, it's a country life in Jamaica. Yeah man, it's a real country life with people. Yeah man, I brush up and just it's a sweet sap a while ago. Very nice, very sweet. Yeah man. So you harvest sweet sap, you know. Yeah man, sometimes it's kind of difficult to pick, so you have to have a long stick. Yeah man, have a long stick some of the time and draw the sweet sap to you and pick it. Yeah man, so harvesting time. Things we never know about sweet sap or sugar apple. Good for a pregnant woman. According to the sources, sweet sap can reduce the risk of miscarriage and minimize labor pain if it's regularly consumed. Vitamin B6 rich. Vitamin B6 helps to reduce inflammation in the lungs, wheezing, shortness of breath. Digestion. It normalizes bowel movements Also blood pressure. Sweet up can contain high level of potassium, magnesium, which can help to regulate blood pressure level. See the paper? Yeah man, so that one is ripe. Very, very sweet taste. So country life is the best in Jamaica, you know. Just remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also, this channel is all about touring Jamaica, things we do in Jamaica, things you see around Jamaica, and also the country life. So if you're new to this channel, you can share, like and subscribe. One love, one heart, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.